How to find all hidden folders in Windows 10. To find all hidden folders in Windows 10, you can adjust your File Explorer settings. Open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon. Navigate to the directory where you suspect hidden folders might be located. Click on the View tab at the top of the File Explorer window. In the Show or Hide section, check the box next to Hidden Items. This will reveal any hidden folders in the current directory. Hidden folders will now appear in lighter color, indicating that they are hidden. So this is the easiest way to find all hidden folders and files in Windows 10. You can also use command prompt, but I think it won't be as easy as the previous method. So I prepare you to use the previous method. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.